Hey, I'm really excited to share with you about a Browning 2-room large tent that I just recently picked up to go camping this summer. And I don't do a lot of product reviews, but this is one I thought would be worth your while. So check this out. Hey, I'm Frank Brand, and this is the DIY Engineer Channel. On this channel, we talk about all things DIY, from simple repairs to easy life hacks and small construction projects. We talk about solar power and batteries to store the electricity. And from time to time, we do product reviews. If you're interested in any of these topics, be sure and subscribe below, as well as ding the bell so you don't miss out. So now we're going to go on ahead and do a time lapse of the tent setup, and then at the very end, I'll do a segment on the benefits and the things that I like best about the tent. One of the good things I like about this tent is they left the instructions right inside. It's sewn in a cloth fabric right into the bag, so that's kind of nice. So, one of the things to note is they put little tabs on here. Black's for black, gray's for gray. The black tabs for the black poles, keeps it kind of straight. And the gray tabs, right up here, the gray tabs are for the gray pole. And then one of the things to keep straight on these two, it's not really clear. You figure it out when you're putting it together, but in here on this end, there's like little teeth down the sides to hold this, because this rod here is smaller than the vertical pole, and there's no teeth on this side, so it only goes in one way to keep it straight. Hole, and the other one's got a big hole. Big hole goes into the bracket. The stake here goes up underneath, goes inside a little tiny hole on the side here. Helps keep it in place. Remember is these yellow wide pieces go over the doors. last two rods going over the doors. These go in. You can see some of the mechanism. This is the door front. You can see the yellow piece here. That little rod, that fiberglass rod goes through this holder here, and then it ties in to just this little eyelet up here to hold it in place. And then I don't know why they should have put Velcro here just like they did down here, but they didn't. And this strap here is just to hold the tent tight against the rod to keep that all one piece. But I wish they would have done that. You can see over here I have it tied off. That would have been a lot nicer if it would have been Velcro. Okay, there you have it. And there's actually some more tie downs and stakes that I could actually string it, but all I'm doing is airing it out, cleaning it out. So let's open it up and I will take you inside and show you the details. Some of the features here, these have nice big doors for getting in and out. I haven't had really liked the doors. They come with these standard locking mechanisms for tying them open. There's one down lower here as well. The zippers are very stout. I was very pleased with the zippers. They're nice and stout, didn't have any issues with them. So we can walk inside here. Big windows. They allow for really good ventilation, as well as on the roof you can see that it's pretty much all, other than some reinforcement, it's all pretty much covered in mesh, so it breathes really well. Some of the other features, has the ability to, you can pull the dross or the zippers from both sides. So if you wanted to just take a fraction of a window and still keep some privacy, you can do that. That seems to work out really well. And pull these down again. One of the things that this doesn't have that I wish it did was power ports. There's no power ports in the corners. As you can see, it just tent, which is neither here nor there. I have my portable power pack that I use, and we used it camping, and it's small enough I can bring it inside. I don't have to worry about having it outside because it doesn't have any fumes. It just has batteries, which is nice. This is the back door, and you can see here on the back door it also has a flap for a window dressing. And then if I want to open the back door, it's just down here at the bottom. And you see those zippers work out really well. They're just nice zippers. All right, corners are reinforced, which is really nice. A little extra fabric there. I also noticed that they did some reinforcing up in here as well. You can see some of the webbing on both sides. It has some reinforcement, and then the awning above, the rain fly, it has enforcement as well. The other thing I want to show you was these. This is a room divider here. You can see the tent is divided into two spaces, and it allows for, just undo this here, it allows you to have some privacy. Not that, a fabric wall is a ton of privacy, but it is some privacy. So if one needed to get dressed, they could, while others were also in the tent. Another thing that we used was these hooks up here to hang some LED lights from. And I have a LED lantern I'll show you that I really liked when we went camping, because it had bug zappers in it, and it actually was catching the bugs for us. It was really nice. The pouches are handy for at night, just tucking stuff inside those pouches. You can see them on the other side of the wall here as well. And those worked out really well. Used mine a lot. And I think the kids did as well. It's a great place to, tuck a flashlight at night, or goes up quick. Looks nice, sturdy. I got to get it cleaned. But the floor seems to be really tough. I don't know if it's like a plastic covered nylon mesh, but it's nylon. But I think it's either plastic or a rubberized. It's just really stout. Really, really stout. And again, the corners are all, you see all the stake down points, they have reinforcement. They over stitched them, which is good. Let's go outside and take a look at some of the features out here. There are all these tie down straps that allow you to actually tie the fly down. I'm not doing it here because I'm just airing it out, but there's really good cord. There's a cord in here. Some good solid nylon cord. All right, what I wanted to show you is I talked about the, this here is for the rainfly, and it has a Velcro strap here that holds it to the pole, but it ties down with a regular clip, so it ties into the stake. We'll button that back down. All right, so that's the outside and the fly. You can see it covers really well. Let's take a look over here. See, here's the back door, and again, it's got the same mechanism. All right, hopefully this was helpful. I really enjoyed the tent, and I hope this review was helpful to you. If you want to learn more about this tent, please be sure and check out the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below, and be sure, I'll leave a link in the comments below so you can learn more about the tent. To learn more about the tent, click on the link below. Not good.